Part 2. You make this shiny thing and put nails in it and you cut it down. Pull it and cut it carefully. Don't cut this. It will get very and your nails are not good. And down and take your nails like this. Pull it in down and pull it down. Not working well, but little shape and then you cut it this way. Okay. And write this. Put it in. Review this. Scrabble the up and up. Look at this. Pull it down. Like this, not clean it again. Part 3 coming. It's so crazy. Part 3.